Hey guys, so quick answer. If you're looking on the answer, quick answer to your question, if there is an SD card slot on your Xiaomi Pad 6, the SIM card slot, it doesn't have SIM card slot. So that's the one thing that you need to know. It just doesn't have it even when you come here, and it just doesn't have any SIM card at all. So that's something that you need to know if you're thinking about buying this. But also there isn't also any SD card slot. So that's another thing that you need to know. So that's pretty much it. No SD card, no SIM card for Xiaomi Pad 6. But this tablet looks good, to be honest. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.